push it, 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 push it.
Hello guys, my name is Promise from Procotech. I will teach you guys how to install USB mode on your BIOS. Switch from USB 2.0 to 3.0 to 3.0 to 2.0. Actually, this method works on notebooks and HP notebooks. Click on the file, press yes, next, next. Next. I will leave all the links on the description. The one that we're going to choose is update the BIOS on this device. Make sure that your PC is running on AC power. Click next. Press next, but I've already installed it. I'll just cancel it. If the video is so helpful, make sure that you subscribe and hit the like button and leave a comment below.